Big news for all job seekers and immigrants aiming for a future in Europe. Portugal has officially launched its Via Verde immigration program. And guess what? Work visas will now be issued in just 20 days. Whether you're dreaming of working in Portugal's thriving agriculture or industrial sectors, this new system is set to change the game. In this video, we'll break down exactly how the green route works, who can apply, what documents you need, and how to make your move smooth and successful. So if you're planning to work in Portugal, don't miss this. Stay tuned, and let's dive into the step-by-step guide to your new opportunity abroad. After the file lock closure, immigration under Portugal's Via Verde has officially begun. Portuguese embassies will now be bound to issue work visas within 20 days, based on working contracts issued by the Portuguese agricultural and industrial sectors to foreign nationals. How does Via Verde work under the immigration process that begins today? From today, companies can apply for the green route Via Verde to hire foreign workers. With the phasing out of AIMA, the aim is to bypass bureaucracy and simplify the regularization process for immigrants arriving in Portugal. Let's now understand more details on how Via Verde works. Due to recent challenges in issuing visas for immigrants seeking employment in Portugal, the government introduced a new protocol at the beginning of April to accelerate the process. After the dissolution of the Foreigners and Borders Service (SEF), AIMA was left with approximately 450,000 pending cases, prompting the urgent need for a solution. The primary goal of this initiative is to facilitate the recruitment of foreign workers, particularly for large companies. Starting today, Portuguese companies can apply for work visas through the green route Via Verde for immigrant workers. But certain rules must be followed. How will Via Verde function? In compliance with the protocol, companies must present a legal employment contract, offer vocational training and Portuguese language classes, and guarantee accommodation. Hence, it is crucial that recruitment is legitimate. If everything is in accordance with the law, the work visa will be approved within a maximum of 20 days. What is the process? To initiate a visa application, Portuguese companies must email the Directorate General for Consular Affairs and Portuguese Communities (DGACCP) with all the necessary documents. The request will then be forwarded to the relevant consular post, which will schedule an appointment for the applicant to submit original documents. After submission, the application will be reviewed, and the visa issuance process will commence immediately. In the next stage, the Agency for Integration, Migration and Asylum (AIMA) and the Borders and Foreigners Coordination Unit (UCFE) will issue their opinions necessary for visa approval. Finally, the consular posts will make the final decision and notify the applicant. Who can apply for the visa? According to Article 12 of the proposal, the following entities may apply: confederations or associations of companies, businesses and business confederations, business organizations, associations with at least 30 members and a collective business turnover of at least 250 million euros. Companies that meet all four of these criteria directly employ 150 or more workers, have an annual turnover of at least 25 million euros, declare no debts to Social Security or the tax authority, possess a valid permanent certificate code. The government has emphasized that the employment contract must be valid, and foreign workers must meet all legal requirements, ensuring the process will not be delayed. Which documents are required? To apply for a work visa, the following documents are required: passport, NIF, Portuguese tax number, NISS, Social Security number, work contract, health insurance, travel insurance. When will the work visas start being issued? The visa must be issued within 20 days after the applicant's appointment at the consular post. Can the visa be suspended? According to the government published document, AIMA may suspend the green route application based on a proposal or consultation with DGACCP and UCFE SSI. If there are serious difficulties due to security concerns or pressure on public service capacity, this suspension may apply to all or part of certain regions. However, if the protocol is suspended, those who already received visas under this system will not be affected. Who is responsible for the agreement? The agreement has been signed between business associations and various public institutions such as Directorate General for Consular Affairs and Portuguese Communities, DGACCP, Agency for Integration, Migration and Asylum, AIMA, Institute of Employment and Vocational Training, IEFB, Borders and Foreigners Coordination Unit, UCFE SSI. What are the consequences for employers not complying with the protocol? If a company fails to fulfill the commitments under the Via Verde immigration protocol, it may be suspended or excluded. If any illegal activity is detected, AIMA has up to 5 days to take action, which could result in the company's suspension. Depending on the severity of the violation, this could also lead to permanent exclusion from the special international recruitment system. Final thoughts. Portugal's Via Verde immigration route is a golden opportunity for skilled workers looking to start a new life in Europe. With fast processing, clear rules, and growing demand, this could be your easiest path to a legal work visa in just 20 days. Don't miss out, start preparing your documents today.